Let me give you 5 additional reasons why you should definitely sign up today. Number 1, you'll be able to buy from any online retailer anywhere in the world and get your items delivered to your doorsteps here in Jamaica. If you're a Jamaican living overseas and you want to send items to your loved ones, you can. Imagine, mama not having to go down to Western Union to pick up money to go pay for shipment. You can pay for your shipment online and we just go and deliver it to her doorsteps. Number 2, places like Sheen have specials where you can spend as low as $45 and get up to 8 items of clothing. Ship them through us. Wait, I gave you a combo just now. Number 3, you can combine multiple packages into one. Yes, you can buy from multiple online retailers and we'll combine them into one and save you on the shipping charges. Also, we will give you a 30% discount when you ship bulk items with us. Number 4, we deliver anywhere in Jamaica and we offer a multitude of payment options. You can use credit or debit card, PayPal, Zelle, or even online bank transfers. If you're in the US, you can go into a Welsh Fargo branch or pay at the ABN. If you're in Jamaica, you can go into an NCB branch or pay at the ABN. And number 5, free shipping. I said it. I'm not joking. It's not a gimmick. You will be able to ship 4 times per year absolutely free with us. How? You're going to join our Platinum membership when? No. Why? Because it is free to join and there is no annual fees when you join now. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead now, click, join and start to ship.